This tutorial will show you how to set up the RavenEye wireless transmitter with the DJI RS2. Connect the HDMI cable from the RavenEye to your camera. Then connect the USB-C cable from the RavenEye to the first port on the RS2. Connect a USB-C cable from the focus motor to the second port on the RS2. Connect a cable from the RSS port on the RavenEye to your camera. When you turn on the RS2, you should be able to adjust the focus with the dial on the grip. If you swipe up on the screen, you can adjust the dial function and dial speed and dial smoothness. With the Ronin app connected to the RavenEye, you can adjust focus, record, and adjust other parameters such as adding a LUT, turning on focus peaking, or zebras. You can also wirelessly control the gimbal. You can turn on Force Mobile and tilt your phone to control the position of the gimbal. You can turn on Virtual Joystick for on-screen controls to control the tilt, pan, and roll axes. You can also enable Active Track Pro to track moving objects within the frame. Now you're ready to use the RavenEye wireless transmitter with the DJI RS2.